Good morning, sir.
Good morning, very good morning. Okay, only two. That's good. Harsha, Nirali, can you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see the screen, right? Introduction to South American continent.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. And voice clarity? Is it good?
Yes, sir. Good. Sir.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. Um, So, as I told you, okay, we have already completed with our first chapter. That is the continent. Okay, North American continent we have done. In that North American continent, okay, we have successfully done with that introduction to North American continent, and four of the countries we have successfully done. Okay, Canada, United States of America, Mexico. Okay, three countries and one Hawaii Island as the state of United States of America that we have done. Okay, so from today what we will do, we will move to second chapter. Okay, second chapter, it is from your South American continent. Okay, South American continent countries they have selected in this. Okay, 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 which countries they have added here? Just a minute. Just give me a second. And within few days you will get a book of this your ICT area 1 and 2. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. So here four countries we will be studying. Okay. Brazil, Argentina, Chile, and Peru. Okay. Brazil, Argentina, Chile, and Peru. These four countries will study from that. Okay. Okay. You can see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Oh, okay. I will move to this South American continent countries. Okay, let me tell you first itself. Okay, South American continent, it has 12 countries. Okay, South America. ಯಾರಿದು ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. Okay, okay. South American continent, it has 12 countries. ಎಷ್ಟು South American continent ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು countries? 12. ಎಷ್ಟು ಶಿವಶಕ್ತಿ? Shivshakti is not there, right? Shivshakti, he went. Oh, he is there. Siddesh, South American continent has how many countries? Guys, am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Well, sir.
Yeah. Siddesh.
12 countries, sir.
12 countries. Okay, very good. So, South American, and can anyone tell me what about North America? North American continent. It has how many countries? 23.
23, sir. 23.
Yeah, very good, very good. 23. And approximate half of that. Okay, exact half ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ 24 ಇದ್ರೆ half ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. Okay, approximate half of that South America it has. Okay, South America it has 12 independent countries. Okay, we are not talking about dependent countries. Okay, one dependent country ಇದೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, here what I have done, I have added the countries list. Okay, and their capital cities. This is very important. Again, which language they speak in their country and what type of people they name. Okay, so that also I have added. Okay, but these two are very important from our exam point of view. Okay, Argentina. Okay, this is alphabetic wise. Okay, Argentina is the first country. The capital city is Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires antar ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ. Okay, the pronunciation differentiate. Okay, Buenos Aires or Buenos Aires. Then Spanish is the major language, and okay, leave about that. And Argentine people they say. Okay, Nambalang, India, New Delhi, and Indian. The people who live in India, Indians ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ. The people who live in Argentina, they are called as Argentine. Next country is Bolivia. After Argentina, Argentina's capital city Buenos Aires. Bolivia. Okay, Bolivia. You just remember this La Paz. Okay, La Paz is the capital city of Bolivia. Then Brazil, Brasilia. Then Chile, Santiago. Colombia, Bogota. Okay, Santite di adu bedre Bogota ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Bogota, Colombia. Okay, Bogota. Then Ecuador, Quito. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 next slide ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So we'll repeat this one. Argentina, Buenos Aires. Bolivia, La Paz. Brazil, Brasilia. Chile, Santiago. Colombia, Bogota. Then Ecuador, Quito. Okay, these are 6 countries with their capital cities. Next, Guyana, Georgetown. Paraguay, Asuncion. Peru, Lima. Suriname, Paramaribo. Uruguay, Montevideo. Venezuela, Caracas. Okay, so this makes this 6 and that 6. Okay, which makes 12 countries. Okay, here again when we talk about Brazil, remember this one. Okay, I will tell you in the map also. I'll show you that Brazil is the largest country in your South American continent. Brazil is the largest country. And Suriname, okay, whatever it is, Suriname, Paramaribo capital city, Suriname is the smallest country from your South American continent. Okay, Brazil and Suriname, you are majorly. Okay, so again here I have added the map. In this map, can you able to see the political map of South America, guys, on your screens?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. So first one, as I told you, Brazil is the biggest country. See, okay, half of the area, okay, covered by only single country, that is Brazil. Okay, so this is whole Brazil. It is okay. Brazil, as I told you, it is the largest country. And I told you about Suriname. Okay, Suriname, that is the smallest country in South American continent. Here it is located in the blue color, whatever you say. Okay, Suriname, and this is Brazil. And these two biggest and smallest countries, they are neighboring countries with bordering countries, you can say. Okay, so okay, when you again see this first one, we'll start with this Colombia. Okay, Colombia is here. Nandidu cursor ಕಾಣುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ, guys? Can you able to see the cursor?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. So this Colombia is the country which connects South American continent with your North American continent. North American continent country ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು country ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Panama. Okay, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Panama is the country which connects your South American continent with your North American continent. Okay, and from Panama you have to enter into the Colombia to enter into South American continent. Okay, so okay, Colombia, this is Colombia. Okay, we'll move like this. Okay, Colombia. Towards the eastern part of Colombia, we are having Venezuela. This red one is Venezuela. And towards the western part of Venezuela, again, this is Guyana. Okay, and towards the western part of Guyana, it is Suriname. Okay, Suriname western part allu kuda one country ಇದೆ guys. French Guyana ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು, French Guiana. Okay, French Guiana, Guyana. Okay, French Guyana. ಇದು although this is located in South American continent, okay, in the area wise it is in the South American continent, but this country is ruled by French. Okay, the administration will be under the French people. So this French Guyana, it is not independent country. It is not independent country, so we will not count it. When you count this French Guyana, it makes 13. Okay, but we are not counting this French Guyana, okay, which is towards the eastern part of your Suriname. Okay, so independent countries are Suriname, Guyana, Venezuela, Colombia, Ecuador. Okay, south of the Colombia, we are having Ecuador. South of the Ecuador, we are having Peru. Okay, Peru. This is Bolivia. Okay, center part Bolivia, and this Bolivia and Paraguay. Okay, I have added information too. Okay, see with this Bolivia and Paraguay, these are somewhere again, this has its own importance. Bolivia and Paraguay. Okay, so these two countries from your South American continent, they are landlocked countries. Okay, from all the side, it has a country's border. It doesn't has any water body as the border. Are you getting, guys? Bolivia and Paraguay, these two countries from the South American continent are called as landlocked countries. Landlocked countries. Okay, like when you talk in the Asia, Mongolia, I think. Okay, if you see the map of Mongolia, okay, it is landlocked countries. Okay, I think in Kazakhstan is also landlocked. Like that. Okay, from all the side, you will going to see the countries with their borders. Okay, see with it, this Bolivia, it has towards the western part, it shares a border with Chile and Peru. Towards the northeast, Brazil, and west Brazil. Okay, so like this, and when you come to the south of Bolivia, Paraguay. So from all the sides, this Bolivia is covered with the countries. So Bolivia, same with your Paraguay. It is covered with Brazil, Argentina, and Bolivia. Brazil, Bolivia, and Argentina. More country length cover agutte the Paraguay. So Bolivia and Paraguay, these two countries are the landlocked countries from South American continent. Bhalast competitive exams alli bandud guys the questions. Okay, which two countries are the landlocked countries from South American continent anta tilkonda. Okay, in the option they will give Bolivia and Paraguay, they will give this Brazil and Suriname. Okay, ivatteno kelirtivi Brazil, Suriname, and Bolivia, Paraguay ಏನೋ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅದ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲ್, ಸರಿನಾಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲ್, ಸರಿನಾಮ್ದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್, ಅಂಡ್ ಸರಿನಾಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ Bolivia and Paraguay, they are having relations, like they are the landlocked countries from the South American continent. Okay, ಸರ್ ನೀವು ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Okay, in mind alle. But why I have not mentioned about that landlocked is in North American continent, it doesn't has any landlocked country. Single country landlocked illa alli. Okay, ella country jote water body ada elladru on kade. Okay, so that's why in the okay, adunu ಒಂದು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ದಿ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಡಸಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಎನಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Okay, ಏಷ್ಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏಷ್ಯಾ, ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ and Europe, ಈ ತರದ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ನಿಮ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಟಫ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಗೈಸ್. Okay, if you don't know. Okay, so what we have to remember, North American continent, it doesn't has any landlocked countries. Okay, landlocked country ಇರಲ್ದಂತ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಇದ್ರೆ that is your North America. So that's why we have not talked about that landlocked concept. When you come to South American continent, Bolivia and Paraguay, these two countries are the landlocked countries. Are you getting, guys? Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So Bolivia, Paraguay, this is Chile ನೋಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಜ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ರೆಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ರ ತರಾನೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉದ್ದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಚಿಲಿಯನ್ನ, ರಿಯಲ್ ಚಿಲಿಯನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದಿಸ್ ಚಿಲಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. Okay, and this is what Argentina is. Okay, towards the eastern part of your Chile, Argentina. Southern part of your South American continent are covered by Chile and Argentina ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. Okay, with you Uruguay. Okay, Uruguay and Paraguay again ಎರಡು ಈಸಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗಳು. Paraguay, Uruguay ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Paraguay, Uruguay. This is the Brazil. Again, Brazil speciality ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು. Brazil is the biggest country, largest country in area. Okay, from your South American continent ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸರಿನಾಮ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಔಟ್ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸರಿನಾಮ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಗಯಾನ ಜೊತೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಗಯಾನ ಆಲ್ದೋ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ independent country, it is dependent country, so we will not consider this one. Okay, so and Colombia ಯಾಕೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, Colombia it connects with North America. Okay, Colombia connects your South America with North. Again ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪನಾಮಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪನಾಮಾ ಇಸ್ತಮಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾ, ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ರೆಡ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ guys? ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಿ guys? Hello, can you identify this country which is with the red dot? ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕಾಣಲತ್ತ ನಿಮಗ? ಎಂಟಿ ಮ್ಯಾಪು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲ್ ಅಂತ? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ Chile. Whether she is right, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one. This one. Colombia. Okay, very good. This one. Soumya. Can you able to see the map?
Yes, sir.
Soumya or Nirali, Harsha, ಯಾವ್ದಿದು country?
It starts from S, sir, the smallest country.
Smallest country from South American continent, right? What is the
Yes,
name?
sir.
Can anyone recall it?
Suriname.
Very good. Yeah. Suriname. 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 Okay. Suriname. Okay. Surname ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Okay. ಸರ್ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ನೇಮ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, ಸರ್ನೇಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ಅಂತ ಅಂತಾರ ಅವ್ರು. ಓಕೆ okay so very good. Okay, you are with me. Okay, so we'll study with few of the facts from your South American continent, which are very important from your examination point of view. Okay, not only this BTA examination, okay, other competitive exams too. Okay, there are many questions they ask from the geography. Okay, so yeah, South American continent, it is the fourth largest in the area and fifth largest populated continent in the world. Okay, fourth largest in the area and fifth largest in the population. Okay, and as we are aware, South American continent, it has 12 countries, 1 dozen. Okay, then this South American continent, it is bordered by Atlantic Ocean to the east and Pacific Ocean to the west. Okay, map yeah. Can you able to see this political map of South America? Guys, can you able to see the political map of South America on your screens?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here you can see the water body which are covering to your South American continent, Atlantic Ocean towards the east. Okay, from here, from this Panama or Colombia, okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ southern part, okay, southern part, Argentina, the east part, totally this is your Atlantic Ocean. Okay, Atlantic Ocean towards the east. And west part ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ Panama ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚಿಲಿ ತನ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, that is your Pacific Ocean. So our South American continent, it is covered with Atlantic Ocean towards the east and Pacific Ocean towards the west. Yeah, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Okay, Atlantic Ocean towards the east and Pacific Ocean towards the western part of the, okay, yeah. So again, it is separated, spread across, okay, it is spread across 17.84 million square kilometer area. Okay, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇಂತ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರೋಂಥ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬಹಳ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಕೇಳದಾರ. And yeah, as I told you, Brazil is the largest country by area and population both. Okay, Brazil, that is the largest country in your from your South American continent, and Suriname is the smallest country. Okay. And South American continent has 2 landlocked countries. ಅದು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು I have mentioned again Bolivia and Paraguay. Bolivia and Paraguay, these 2 countries are the landlocked countries from South American continent, and I have shown you in the map also, okay, regarding this. Okay, again, okay, North American continent does not has any landlocked countries. Okay, ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. And Colombia is connected with 2 major oceans of the world. Okay, so when I talk about Colombia, if you see this map, then only you can to know. Okay, here can you able to see the political map of South America again?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Here in the northern part, when you see this Colombia, guys, okay, Colombia is this such a country, okay, which has which shares a border, I can say, or which shares its part, or which is again bordered by 2 of the major oceans of the world. Okay, here you can see in the north eastern side, okay, in the north side, it shares its border with Atlantic Ocean. Okay, Atlantic Ocean water ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Again, the western part of Colombia, it shares with Pacific Ocean. Okay, Colombia ಒಂದು ಕಂಟ್ರಿ, ಆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ 2 ಮೇಜರ್ ಓಷನ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ತನ್ನ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ from your South American continent. That we have to remember. Okay, so this Colombia is the country which is connected with 2 major oceans of the world, that is Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. And yeah, another important question which they may ask from this South American continent in your competitive exams is, okay, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದನ. Okay, 2-3 ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದದ್ದು. Even in UPSC examination also they have asked this. Okay, so South American continent and now North American continent are separated with, are connected through which part ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. So that you have to remember Panama Isthmus ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Panama Isthmus, ಈ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದನ್ನ, so that is your Panama Isthmus. Okay, Panama Isthmus. Sir, again, what is this isthmus? We are not getting ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Panama, you know, Panama, that is the country, right? Okay, which is in the North American continent, but this country, it connects with your South American continent. Okay, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ Panama Isthmus ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Isthmus ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Panama Isthmus is the place which connects 2 continents. Okay, which is connecting this place, it is connecting 2 of the continents, that is your North American continent and South American continent. It is connecting with 2 continents, and this place divides 2 major oceans on the earth, that is Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Guys, Atlantic Ocean towards the north and Pacific Ocean in this towards the south. Okay, so this Panama Isthmus the kelsa ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, okay, this plays very important role. Panama Isthmus, it divides or it connects North American continent with South American continent, and it divides 2 of the major oceans, that is Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Okay, so this Panama Isthmus, Okay, isthmus, sorry, isthmus, the isthmus, that's the new word. Okay, Panama Isthmus, it is the place, okay, which connects, okay, which joins your North American continent with South American continent, and which divides Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Okay, so that is there. Okay, so ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Panama Isthmus ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿತಾ? What is the speciality of this Panama Isthmus ಅಂತ? ಏನೇ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Panama Isthmus ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್
Yes.
ಏನಂತ?
No, sir.
ಯಾ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದಾ ಏನಂತ Panama Isthmus? What is this Panama Isthmus? Why that is so popular?
As it connects the two continents, sir, and
Divides
divides means
two oceans.
Yes, sir. It has two oceans, like Pacific one, and one is Atlantic.
Okay, okay. ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರು ಯಾರು? ಸೌಮ್ಯ, can you answer it?
Yes, sir.
What is
It connects with two continents and divides two major oceans, sir. Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean.
Okay, it divides Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Can you divide those continents which connects?
North American continents and South American continents.
Very good, very good. It connects North American continent with South American continent. Okay, very good. ಮತ್ತೆ Shraddha, can you try? What is Panama Isthmus? Are you there, Shraddha? Shraddha, is not there. Shraddha, okay. Shiv Shakti, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you answer what is this Panama Isthmus? ಏನು Panama Isthmus ಅಂದ್ರೆ? Try in Kannada. Panama Isthmus is the place ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ? ಶಿವಶಕ್ತಿ, ಶಿವಶಕ್ತಿ, ಶಿವಶಕ್ತಿ.
Yes, sir.
Panama Isthmus, it's a place which connects North American continent with South American continent. ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕೆಲಸ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪನಾಮಾ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ this Panama Isthmus, it connects North American continent with South American continent. ಒಂದಾಯ್ತಾ? ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it also divides, okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ. It also divides Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. ಓಕೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಡೆಗೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ ಓಷನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು Panama Isthmus ತೆಗ್ದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್ ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್ ಮರ್ಜ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡು. ಓಕೆ, so Panama Isthmus, it's a place which connects North American continent to South American continent, and it divides Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Can you try now? Siddesh, Siddesh, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಗಪ್ಪಾಗ್ತಿರ್ಲ. ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್, ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್, ಲೇ ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ್, Srikanth. Guys. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
ಯಾರೋ
sir.
ಯಾರೋ ಎಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರಲ್ಲ
Yes,
ಮತ್ತೆ
sir, audible.
ಹಾ ಆಡಿಬಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳು ಶಿವಶಕ್ತಿ ಏನಂತ.
ಸರ್ ನನ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಐತ್ರಿ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಸಿಮ್ ಇದು ಏನಂತಾರ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಹಾ
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದಂತ ಅಷ್ಟ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಿ, ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತೇರಿ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ ಪನಾಮ ಇಸ್ತಮಸ್ ಈಗ ಕೇಳ ಹೊಂಟದಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ. ವಿ
Yes,
ಆರ್
sir.
ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪನಾಮ ಇಸ್ತಮಸ್. ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಕಾಣಲತ್ತ ನಿನಗ ಇದು.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. Yes,
ಓಕೆ
sir.
ಪನಾಮ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ವಿತ್ ಪನಾಮ ಇಸ್ತಮಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಈ ಪನಾಮ ಇಸ್ತಮಸ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್. ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ನಿನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪನಾಮ ಇಸ್ತಮಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಓಷನ್. ಎರಡು ಓಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಎರಡು ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದರದ ಪನಾಮ ಇಸ್ತಮಸ್ದ. ತಿಳಿತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ? 8 ನಿಮಿಷ ಉಳಿದದ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಈಗ. ಸಿದ್ದೇಶ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದೇನ ಪನಾಮ ಇಸ್ತಮಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? is not there, I think. ಸೌಮ್ಯ ಓಕೆ ಸೌಮ್ಯ she will answer. ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಅಂಬಂಗಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರೇನ? ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಓಕೆ so that's about there. Okay, it's your fate, no one can change. Okay. Yeah, so this is about physical map of your South American continent. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರೆ wherever it is like this greenery alladalla, that is like forest area, that kind of a thing. And this part, okay, so towards the western part it has its mountains. Okay, towards the eastern side and towards the western side it has its mountains. Again when you talk about the physical regions of this South American continent, you can divide it into 3 parts, that is mountains and highlands, river basin and coastal plains. Okay, mountains and highlands is the western part and South American and eastern part. Then this river basin ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿವರ್ ಬೇಸಿನ್. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನದಿಗಳು ಅದಾವ, ನದಿಗಳ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಗ್ರೀನ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತ. ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. Then coastal plains, as you are aware that this country it has its borders with 2 of the major oceans, that is your Atlantic Ocean towards the east and the Pacific Ocean towards the west. Okay, so yeah, when you talk about the rivers, you have to remember only majorly 3 rivers, that is Parima, Amazon and Paranaibo. Okay, ಈ 3 river ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರೆ, Parima, Amazon and Paranaiba. Okay, Parima illada order. Okay, Parima. Oh, sorry, where is Parima? Yeah, this is one. That is Prerana. Okay, Praranaiba. Okay, so Parina, maybe that language change irboda. This is, and this is your Amazon, and this is your Paranaibo. Okay, Brazil ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತ. Amazon it takes birth in the Peru, and Parima, okay, that takes its birth in the Venezuela. Okay. Okay, when you come to the mountains, okay, the major mountain in the South American continent is Andes mountains. Andes and ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, ANDES. Okay, Andes, it's a very important part of your South American continent. Okay, Andes mountains are very popular one. Okay, in the whole world it is very popular because of Andes mountains is the longest mountain belt in the world. Okay, although we are having the highest in our Asia, okay, longest it is in the South American continent. Okay, so Andes Mountains is the longest mountain belt in the world with 7,000 kilometer long, guys. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವೆನೆಜುಯೆಲಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ವೆನೆಜುಯೆಲಾ, ಕೊಲಂಬಿಯಾ, ಇಕ್ವಡಾರ್, ಪೆರು, okay, ಬೊಲಿವಿಯಾ, ಚಿಲಿ, ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟೀನಾ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ. Okay, guys. Guys, can you able to see the screen? In exit agada. Guys. Guys, can you able to see the screen? Guys, can you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾವ screen ಕಾಣುತ್ತೋ?
Mountains.
Mountains. Very good, very good. When you talk about mountains, okay, 4 minutes, huh? Okay. When you talk about mountains, the longest mountain in the world, it is in the South American continent. Okay, ಯಾವ್ದದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Andes Mountains. Andes, ANDES, and ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ, Andes ಮಾಡಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ Andes. Okay, Andes is the longest mountain in the world. Okay, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ highest ಅದು. Okay, Mount Everest, whatever we say, that is the highest mountain in the world, but it is longest. Okay, longest. Nambali Mount Everest, the length ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is approximately 2,400 kilometer ಏನೋ ಅದು. Okay, but see the difference. It is 7,000 kilometer wide. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವೆನೆಜುಯೆಲಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಪ್ ಟು ಸೌತ್, ನಾರ್ತ್ ಟು ಸೌತ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಮೌಂಟೇನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆಂಡೆಸ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್. ವೆನೆಜುಯೆಲಾ, ಕೊಲಂಬಿಯಾ, ಇಕ್ವಡಾರ್, ಪೆರು, ಬೊಲಿವಿಯಾ, ಚಿಲಿ, ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟೀನಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗಳದ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಂಡೆಸ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸೌತ್ ಅಮೆರಿಕಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾಂಗೆಸ್ಟ್ mountain belt in the world with 7,000 kilometer. Your number. Okay, ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ 7. Okay, then out of this Andes mountains, okay, this Andes mountains, when you come to this Argentina, okay, so here, yeah, so this is Argentina here somewhere. Okay, Argentina alli, it has a mountain called Aconcagua. Okay, ACONCAGUA, Aconcagua. Okay, Aconcagua, that is this second largest mountain in the world. Okay, Aconcagua, that is the second largest mountain in the world, which is in the South American continent. Okay, after that again Andes and Aconcagua. Okay, we have to remember this Sierra de Monte, which is in Brazil, and Eastern Highlands. Okay, Eastern Highlands. Okay, this is about your Western Highlands. Okay, Eastern Highland bandre, Eastern Highlands, these are mainly you remember this Brazil part. Okay, in the Brazil, half of the Brazil, it is covered with the Eastern Highlands. Okay, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಜಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Okay, so in Eastern Highlands, why these Eastern Highlands are popular? Again, Eastern Highlands majorly covered in the Brazil country, and this Eastern Highlands, they are majorly rich in the iron ore. Okay, ಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ ಇದು ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಅದಿರು ಅಂತ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಕಬ್ಬಿಣದ ಅದಿರು, that you will get in this Eastern Highlands. That is okay, and coffee production. Okay, ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ what you have to remember again, this Brazil is the country which is the largest producer of the coffee in the world. Okay, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Okay, which country is the largest producer of the coffee ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ. Okay, Brazil is the largest producer of coffee in the world. Okay, and this coffee plantation, that is those are you will going to see in this Eastern Highlands. Okay, Eastern Highlands ಈ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಹೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಟ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೂ ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಗಳೂರು ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಫಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟೇಶನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ರೆಜಿಲಿಯನ್ ಹೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, they are rich in the iron ore, and the coffee plantation is the more, coffee production is more in that Brazilian country. So again, Brazil is the largest producer of the coffee in the world. Okay, so that is what I wanted to discuss in this class. Any doubts, guys, out of this, whatever we have done?
No, sir.
Hola, 1 minute. Yeah. Can anyone send me the screenshot of your attendance?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then if there are no doubts, okay, I will end this meeting, guys. Okay. See you in tomorrow's class. Till then, take care.
Sir.
Bye, guys. Yes, Appa. Yes.
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಗೂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್